How come it took me this long to learn this cabbage recipe? Start by making diagonal cuts into 500 grams of cabbage. Then make some more diagonal cuts in the opposite direction. To a pan over low-medium heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, then add 2 medium diced potatoes. Also, add 400 grams of ground beef. After that, add 1/2 chopped red bell pepper, 1/2 chopped green bell pepper, and 2 grated carrots. Add the cabbage we've just chopped and mix it in with the ground beef. Close the pan and let it all cook for 20 minutes over low heat. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 generous pinch of black pepper, and 1 generous pinch of red chili. Finally, mix it all together very well. To make the sauce, start by adding 3 whole eggs to a large bowl. Then add 150 milliliters of whole milk, 4 tablespoons of table cream, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and finally, 2 crushed garlic cloves. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 generous pinch of black pepper, 1 generous pinch of red chili, 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. Now add some parsley to taste and mix it all together again. Now add all of our meat cabbage mixture to the baking dish. Then pour that sauce we've just made all over this mixture and evenly spread it to top it all. Also add 200 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Finally, sprinkle some oregano to taste. To finish it off, take this baking dish to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. The recipe is ready. You may now get a slice and enjoy it.